Okay, you have to use a pen and paper for this because there is some working not to be followed. As there is some working not to be followed, switch off the fan. Somebody come here and switch off the fan. Later, like. No problem, like, only fan. Okay. Now, yes, both online and offline is coming actually. It's a live streaming class. It's live streaming class. Probably on Probably on that listening to me. Yes, it's a live streaming one. Okay, there are both online and offline. There's a difficulty with your digital addressing of the students. Somebody likes online, somebody likes offline, and teachers are high risk addressing both. Now we are going for the last uncertainty model, that is called as least regret model. Regret means here after to be loss and loss simply call it as a loss. Least loss model, least regret model, or least opportunity cost model, least opportunity loss model means to say that is how to minimize your loss. Maximum loss has to be minimized. But here there is something called as regret. Regret means to lose, to give away. Regret means what? To lose. Okay, there is also one more concept in business, that is what is called as affordable loss. Affordable loss. You know this concept? Affordable loss. To what extent we are ready to lose? What is your caliber or what is your strength? How much you are supposed to lose? How much you are supposed to lose? Say out of my 7 lakh investment. Okay, if I do my business. Okay, are you ready to lose? Are you ready to lose all the 7 lakhs as a loss? Are we able to lose only up to 2 lakhs? Is it your maximum limit? What is your affordable loss? The limit of the affordable loss, that is what is called as the threshold of your affordable loss to be calculated. Based on that affordable loss limits, based on that affordable loss calculations, this least regret model is calculated. Okay, now I hope all of you have taken this problem right. Take the title as least regret model and take this problem. According to least regret model, which is the best strategy, that is what will be known. According to least regret model, alone, no need to discuss with anybody else. Just talk to me. Just listen to me. According to least regret model, which is the best strategy to be taken into account, and that's what our concern is. Least regret model apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ least regret ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ regret means to lose ಅಂತ, to give away, to forget. You are investing 7 lakhs in the business, right? Bharadwaj, you are investing 7 lakhs in the business. To what extent you are going to lose it? You are not expecting a high profit because the market is so pessimistic. It is demand is very poor. There are so many other factors influencing on your business, and there is chance sure that you are going to lose some amount of money. To what extent that you are going to lose? What is your threshold limit? Highest rate out of your 7 lakhs investment, to what extent you can lose? Affordable loss. That is the concept. The concept is based on, this is based on the concept, this model, this regret model. This model is based on, this model is based on, that irritates me. This model is based on the concept of affordable loss. This concept is based on what? Affordable loss. So we can upload the chart box. We can look at the problem. Even I tell you how to take the solution also. Okay. Now we'll just go forward. Now look at this. What is that we are doing? Look at the second slide. Look at the second slide immediately. Slide number 31. What is that I'm doing? Hello? What that I'm doing? Second slide. I have taken the maximum and out of this overall maximum, I am subtracting each and every element, each and every number. Still there? Okay. If you go to earlier slide, if you go to earlier slide, see here. What is that? Nothing is visible. Here, how is about now? Is it visible? Is it visible? Audio is on, video is on, is not visible. What now? Somebody help me please. Webcam is a webcam 30. That's the problem. No, the remote the webcam. Just a minute. What to do? The remote the webcam itself. Ashok ko Nirmal de. Ashok Nirmal. Taking selfie class. Now yak bilsana. Okay. Ni nadiyapani. Yeah, is it fine now? Is it visible now? Somebody help me, man. Come out, come here. Try to adjust that particular slide. Yeah. Is it fine now? Hello? Is it fine? Yeah. Look at the whole matrix. Out of the whole matrix, every row maximum is taken into account. It is 7 lakh, 4 lakh, 50,000 and 3 lakh and all. But now what I am going to do is this. For every row maximum, I am going to subtract the other elements. This is 7 lakh minus 7 lakh, 7 lakh minus 5 lakh, 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. And when it comes to the second one, okay, this is 4 lakh 50,000 is the maximum. Now 4 lakh 50,000 minus 3 lakh, 4 lakh 50,000 minus 4 lakh 50,000, 4 lakh 50,000 minus 3 lakh. Now the next is 3 lakh is the highest. Now 3 lakh minus 1 lakh 50, 3 lakh minus 0, 3 lakh minus 3 lakh. Are you getting this point? Yes, sir. Hello? Yes. Is it okay for you? Are you understanding it or not? You got it? Okay, any questions?
I am subtracting this maximum from that particular element corresponding to the row. Are you getting it or not? Hello, there. Understood? Yeah? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, fine. Yeah. Now, if you go to this what is called as your revised matrix. Consider the revised matrix now. Consider the revised matrix. Consider the revised matrix. Now, if you consider the revised matrix, it's going to be like this. Now, here in this, you have to consider the maximum 0, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. First column. What is the maximum here? 1,50,000, right? After subtraction. After subtraction, what is your maximum in the column? 0, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is highest, right? Yeah. Now go to number 2. And there 2 lakh, 0 and 3 lakh. What is highest? 3 lakh. And number 3, 4 lakh, 1,50,000 and 0. 4 lakh is the highest. And all these are considered to be your affordable losses. You are going to select the minimum loss. You are going to select what? The minimum loss. And out of all of these losses, the minimum is 1,50,000 corresponding to S1. Understood? Got it? Any questions? Hello? Have you understood? Yeah, tell me. See here, color. After subtraction, you got it right. Yeah, take the maximum from each row and you list it there. And from that subtraction, from that highest value, you're going to subtract the remaining elements. Row wise. Now, if you do that, you will get 7 lakh minus 7 lakh. First row I'm telling, N1. 7 lakh minus 5 lakh, 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. Okay, similarly you do for N2 and N3. Now you target in the columns. Now in the columns, if you say, okay, you are listing out the losses, which is maximum for column number S1. Column S1, what is the highest loss? 1,50,000. Column number 2, what's the highest loss? 3 lakh. Column number 3, what's the highest loss? 4 lakh. And out of all these highest losses, out of all these affordable losses, highest affordable loss, you have to consider the least loss, minimum loss. That is the best one, correct? Strategically, the best is the one which you are going to lose less. Lose less should be your option. You are losing anyway, right? Okay, you are losing anyway, right? Bharadwaj, you are losing some money, right? Fine. Okay, so sometimes you may lose 3 lakhs, sometimes you may lose 4 lakhs, sometimes you may lose 1,50,000. Which one you choose? Choose the route or choose the strategy where you are going to lose the minimum 1,50,000. If you select the other one, sometimes in the other one you may lose 4 lakhs, the next one you may lose 3 lakhs. But lose the strategy where you are going to lose the lesser amount. Small only. Yes. But there is some understanding in that calculations, right? Now, consider the minimum loss. Consider the minimum loss. Write down, please. Consider the minimum loss among the possible maximum losses possible maximum losses corresponding to each strategy. Corresponding to each strategy. Corresponding to each strategy. This is, I said, revised matrix. The present slide is revised matrix, right? Corresponding strategy. Now, if it's a revised matrix, this is your revised matrix, right? This is your revised matrix. Revised is the one after subtraction what we get, that is the revised. Revised means the next step. Continue. The minimum loss is 1,50,000 rupees. The minimum loss is 1,50,000 rupees. The minimum loss is 1,50,000 rupees. Corresponding to strategy 1. Corresponding to strategy 1. That is, therefore, S1 is best. Therefore, S1 is best. Now, okay, we have how many calculations that we did? Max. We did, right? Max and answer S1 or S2 or S3. Are you getting my point? Hello? No, not again. Max, how's the answer? Max,
Yes.
Huh? Max, first one. Max, first criteria, max. S1 or S2 or S3. Yeah, S1 or S2, huh? This one. S1, right? Okay, max is this one. Next, maximin. S3. I don't want amount. I want strategy. Okay, maximin. Next, minimax. S3. Next, Laplace. S1. Next, Hurwitz. Hurwitz. Yes. Hurwitz is S1 or S2? Hello? S1. Okay. Next, least regret. Least regret is S1. Yeah. Which is the most favorable one now? Which is the highest equivalence that are getting? Look at this. Now we got the answer. Now we can confidently say that S1 is the strategy to be chosen by the marketing executive so that company suffers or a company gets maximum profit or minimum loss based on the entire compilation, the entire segregation, the entire consolidation, the entire summarization. You can sit, okay, leave space, come this side. You can go to this seat, maintain distance. They are all sitting apart, right? Come this side. Yeah. See here. Somebody take this diagram. Hello. Strategy. Somebody take this diagram. Hello. Take this picture and put it in your box. You need to have a very close picture. Abdullah, take the diagram. S1 is most oftenly, frequently repeated, therefore select S1. Okay, by consolidate, take this conclusion. Conclusion, last line. Conclusion. By consolidating the results, we get S1 as the best results, as the best strategy. S1 as the best strategy. Write down this final answer. Understood how exactly we have taken it forward? We have taken all the, how many are there now? Okay, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Among 6 possible methods, 4 are supporting one particular strategy. And that is the best one. Go with S1. What S1 says? What S1 says? What is S1? Read the problem. What refers to S1? S1 is the What is S1 knowledge? Can somebody tell me what is S1? What is S1? Go to the problem number. Basic problem. S1 strategy means what? Read it fully, man. S1 is what? S1 is introduction of a revolutionary new product with new packaging or replacing the existing product at much higher price. That is your option to be selected. That is S1. It is mentioned the problem only. That is our S1. S1 is strategy 1. You got it? Any questions?
You come this for 15 marks, right?
Yes, 15 marks. Any questions? Hello? Any questions there? Aman, any questions? Kiran, Albin, Kishan,
No, sir.
Pradipta, Rakshita, Pratika. Any questions?
No, sir.
One question, Rakshita. When we consolidate the result, we get 2 strategies are supporting equally S1, 3. Okay. Yeah. You mean to say that when there's a tie, what to do? That's what your question, right, Rakshita?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Rakshita? Is it what your concern is when you get a tie? S1 is equal to 3 options. S2 is also
Yes,
3
sir.
options. 3. There's a tie. Is it like?
Yes. Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Yes? Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Now, listen to me. In such situations, when there's a tie, here now one side is skewed up, S1 is skewed now. Only supporting S1 maximum number of times it is appearing, and we can take S1 as a strategy. But when you say, as she said, when there is a tie, which to be selected, S1 is also 3, S3 is also 3. Whether to go for S1 or to go for S1, S3. Now, you have to, there are 2 or 3 possibilities for the marketing manager to remain, to continue with. Rakshita, listen to me. Marketing manager has to continue his work, either redoing the whole study of calculating the data, redoing of the whole calculations, or the complete collection of data, market research. He has to get into the market again and get the data, relevant data, and if possible, try to revise the whole problem itself. Or he can experiment with either S1 or S3 based on his common sense. Scientifically saying that, okay, rationally saying that the best way in that case is to rework, redo, recalculate, get the data again, collect the data again. Because this particular data is not giving you one clear answer. You should one answer, right? If you get multiple answers, what to do? Which to follow? Which one to do? You can write either S1 or S3. You need not to write all the explanation. As at the time, it's left to the manager's decision for either S1 or S3. You need not write all the explanation. I'm just giving you for the sake of understanding. In the case of a tie, the marketing manager has to redo the whole of his research work, collecting data. I think the marketing manager, what he does exactly? He goes to the field and collect the data, right? Marketing manager, what exactly does? He goes to the field, or he sends his subordinates or the executives to the field and market and ask them to collect the data. Okay, with this data, we are getting this answer is fine. But rather, if something happens and you get it right there, then what will you do as marketing manager? You call all the salesmen, you call all the executives, and you just tell them, go again, collect the data again. And I'm extending the decision and postpone the decision for next 3 months. We cannot take any decision because of lack of support of data. Because of lack of support of data, and we are extending our decision to be taken. Dates are extended now. You cannot take any one single decision, right? Got it? Hello? Any questions? Rakshita, is it clear? Rakshita? S1 is the best. One second. Yes, man, tell me. Huh? Yeah, you have to summarize this. That is not shown in the slide. It's not in the slide, but you are writing. Summarization should be there. Consolidate. Consolidation. Fine. Yeah. Any doubts, Rakshita? Is it okay? Fine. Understood? Kritika, Kishan, Kiran, Aman. Any doubts? Mayur?
No, sir.
Have you understood the concept? Got the concept well? Aman, Mayur, Pratika, what about you?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Any question? Any problem?
No, sir.
Shall I continue with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this problem 3.9.2. All of you take this. Yeah. See, we don't have time. After learning you by next month, this week, probably you will be taking the examinations. Next month, August first week or second week. Okay, you're supposed to take exams. You don't have the time. 1 month is left. You cannot say that. Okay, now quick and complete the declared goal as okay, write down the write down the problem. 3.9.2. Huh? Okay, all the best. We'll have like that is his choice. You want to even you can also after MBA, already you are in love with somebody. Fixed person there, you are in love with somebody. Yes. Anyway, invite okay, 3.9.2. Write down the problem. From the following matrix, hello, copy the problem, all of you. Copy the problem. 3.9.2, slide number 32. Slide number 32, copy the problem. Slide number 32. Copy the problem. 32 and 33 both. First you copy 32 and then 33. Copy 32 all of you. And in problem barita illa kana berena marta idya. Okay, copy problem number 3.9.2. Yes. Hello. Yes, man. Have you copied it? Have you copied 3.9.2? Quick, write down. All of you copy this problem. I read it again for you. From the following matrix, determine which strategy the concerned executive should choose on the basis of maximax, maximin, minimax, equal probabilities, Laplace, coefficient of optimism, Laplace service model, and least regret model. Okay. Have you copied it? I'll go to the slide number 33. Yeah, take this problem. Copy the matrix. Copy the matrix quickly. It's a bigger one. You have 6 alternative strategies and 6 corresponding events or the results. You have 6 alternatives. Right? Copy the matrix, all of you. Quick. Please exactly remind me at 11:20. Just copy. I'll explain it and we'll solve it tomorrow. Okay. You will manage a minimum 40 minutes. All the 6 models. 100% is there. 50 marks. 100% is there. 50 marks. Okay, write on the matrix. Please copy the problem, all of you. Please copy the matrix. Please copy the matrix. Yeah. And S1 0, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. S2 50, 50, 250, 450, 650, 850. S3 100, 100, 100, 100, 300, 500, 700. Like that it goes. Okay. Fine. Copy the matrix, all of you. Anyway, it's explained already there in the PPT. I'm just giving you kind of justification, explanation. Okay, done, Pradipta. Okay, go with the yes. Maxi max. Maxi max. Maxi max. Each and every column identify the maximum. Maximum among all maximums. Easy, yeah. Now, just copy this max model. See what we have done. It's very simple, logical reasoning, smart work, very smart work. Okay, now if you go to your S1, S2, S3 and all, okay, I'm taking among S1, okay, 1000 is highest, S2, 8V, 850, 850 is maximum, S3, 700, S4, 550, S5, 400, S6, 250. And out of this, which is highest? Corresponding to what? S1. Now, that is the strategy according to Maximax to be selected by the executive. Understood? Okay. Got the answer by using Maximax? Okay. Time with the L3 extras moment. 11:21 now. Okay, please copy this. Somebody, please. She is copying, I believe. Alva? Please write it. Any questions? Any questions? Pratika? Samanna?
No, sir, no question.
Yeah, it's easy, right? Hello?
Yes,
Abdullah? Any questions? Any questions? No questions. Happy? Understood? Understood or not understood? Okay. 100%. Don't worry, I'll attend your marriage. If you invite me, I'll come. But it should be somewhere near Mysore only. Then only I can do. Otherwise, no. Abdullah is going to getting married very early, it seems. Hello? Invitation will be, and my teams will curse, WhatsApp group will curse. Okay. Wish him all the best, man. All of you. Hello. Okay. I'll send you online business. Don't worry. Fine. Pradeepta, any questions? Pratika, you're there? Yeah. It's easy, right? Pradeepta, it is easy, right? Hundred %. Sure. 1%. Max. Okay, then I'm closing it. Okay, somebody give me that number. Online male, online female, offline male, offline female. Give me that number. Quick. Right there, BS2. BS2 final year, top. Okay, all the best. See you.